redo. All the walls were taken out, all the cabinets, all the floors. And they installed these beautiful cabinets, countertop, backsplash. It was a big job. There were no walls in here. We installed this new vent hood, which we didn't have before. All floors all the way through into the dining room. We added these new cabinets in the dining room, which we didn't have before. So this one displays now all of our crystal. And then moving into the living room, again, we carried these floors all the way through the house. And we had the folks at Horizon build out this fireplace for us. So there was a non-functioning fireplace behind there. And they built out a new frame, we put in this electric unit, and did this incredible wallpaper that we found online. They did an amazing job installing that wallpaper. And then paint throughout the whole living room, dining room, kitchen. The whole process took only 8 weeks. It was amazing.
8 weeks.
Yeah, I know. You wouldn't believe it when you first saw this. The crews that came in, the different subcontractors, were incredibly detail-oriented and professional. You know, even when there was a little piece missing, they would come back and provide the piece. Mario, who did the fireplace, was just incredible. Like, the way he was so detail-oriented. He realized that one roll of wallpaper was not going to match. So instead of putting it up, he had us reorder and then finish the wallpaper. So it was great the whole way through. The floors went in 1 day. So the guys Horizon hired to do the floors came in, started at 7 a.m. and they just pushed through and got the whole thing done. So it was pretty amazing, the pace when folks were here. And it was really not that big of a problem for us to live through because we work outside the home. So this would happen while we were at work. And then everyone was sort of done by 5 or 6 p.m. When we would get home from work. So I'm grateful to Horizon. David was amazing. He coordinated the whole thing. We could only really communicate with him on the weekends because we're so busy during the week. He was really available for questions during the weekends. So it was great. I highly recommend working with Horizon. Thank you.
Thank you. We enjoyed working with you. Enjoy your lovely home. Entertain a lot. And that's it. We see you next time.
Yep. Thank you.